Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Jagdale. Today's topic the geriatric in the pharmacovigilance. It is the art and the science of preventing disease in the geriatric populations and the promoting their health and the efficacy. In treating the elderly, reminder that the best intervention in the prevention. uh, Risk of the geriatrics is the risk of the geriatric is the prone for infections, then prone for injuries, also the need special assistance, prone for psychological problems, then prone for the degenerative disorder, increased risk for the disease, and also the increased risk of disability, increased risk of death. Then also the geriatric geriatric people problems. um, uh, uh, Geriatric people problem occur problem, that is type of health problems, psychological problems, social problems. In health problem including joint problem, impairment of special senses, cardiovascular disease, then the hypothermia, then cancer, prostate enlargement, then the diabetes and the accidental fails, etc. Then psychological problems include the emotional problems, suicidal problems, senile dementia, Alzheimer disease, also caused in the psychological problems. Then social problems include the uh, poverty, then the dependency, isolations, elder abuse, and the generation gap, etc., including the social problems. Then physician factors include in the geriatric, that is a presuming patient expect prescriptions, medications, and no medication review. Then investigations, no medication review. Then prescribing without sufficient investigation of clinical situations. Then unclear, complex, incomplete instruction, that not simplifying the regimen. Also the ordering automatic refills. Then patient factors, seeing multiple physicians and pharmacies. Then hoarding of medications, inaccurate reporting of all medicines um, concurrently being taken, and assuming that when medications start, they can continue identify finitely. Then change in daily habits. And then polypharmacy leads to adverse drug reactions, drug interactions, decreased medication compliance, poor quality of the life, unnecessary drug expense, etc. Then the effect of the psychologic aging in a geriatric patients, that is absorption, drug distributions, in absorption, delayed gastric emptying, decreased gastric acidity, decreased splanchnic blood flow, and in a drug distributions, higher percentage of fat, decreased total body water, decreased plasma albumin concentration. Then effect of the psychologic aging is the serum concentration, drug clearance, a change in the serum concentration, change in a body composition, changes serum concentration of a water soluble drugs, that is a change in a fat mass affect concentration of a fat soluble medications. Then drug clearance altered, it is altered liver metabolism, decreased renal excretion of a drug. Then adverse drug reaction, simultaneously conventional image of a growing and the older, that is a confusion, nervousness, fatigue, insomnia, drowsiness, false depression, animalicy, etc. disease caused. Criteria for the potential inappropriate medication used in the older adults. Then the adverse drug reaction, fifth leading cause of death in older adults, fall from the orthostatic hypotension, confusion and the disorientation, then the hepatic toxicity and the renal toxicity, etc. Then also the cause the latrogenic problems, that is digoxin, H2 blockers and benzodiazepines, and the digoxin toxicity caused NH2 blocker confusion and benzodiazepine CNS toxicity. Thank you.